Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply the same video transition for all of your clips on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to start splitting the clips into, well, a few clips like so. It's just going to be very random, so sorry about that. And then that's it. Okay, so to apply the same video transitions, you're just going to select transitions here, and you're going to select a transition that you want. There's a lot of options, as you can see here. You have like this light one, this basic one, etc., etc. You just have a lot of options for it, but I'm just going to go and select one from trending, like so, and then I'm just going to add it to track. Here you can adjust the duration as well. Then once you're done with that, you're just going to select apply to all, and it's going to be applied to all of your videos. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!